Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by checking the physical connections and power at the router and PC. Confirm the Ethernet cable is securely plugged into the PC and router. Inspect the cable for cuts and replace it if damaged. Restart the router and modem by unplugging power for 30 seconds and then plugging back in. Check the network adapter LEDs on the PC. A green or blinking light indicates a physical link. If using Wi-Fi, verify the wireless switch or key is enabled on the laptop. Next, reset Windows network settings to clear corrupt configurations. Open an elevated command, prompt and run netch winsock, reset to restore the socket catalog. Then run netch int IP, reset to reinstall TCP IP and clear settings. Use ipconfig/release then ipconfig/renew to refresh your DHCP lease and obtain an IP. Also run ipconfig/flushtons to clear the DNS resolver cache. Restart the PC after running these commands to ensure the changes take effect properly. Finally, verify IP assignment, drivers, and security software settings. Open Network and Sharing Center and check the adapter status for IP4 address and default gateway. Check IP settings. Use automatic DHCP unless your network requires a static IP address. Open Device Manager and update or roll back the network adapter driver if connectivity changed after an update. Temporarily disable firewall or antivirus to test whether they block connections. If connectivity returns, reconfigure firewall rules or replace the security product with a compatible alternative.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.